You can't escape. There's an extra little bit I want to show you on Chapter 2, Complex Numbers in MFP1 AS Level Maths. So, previously I showed you how to work out an algebraic solution involving imaginary numbers, but now we're actually going to solve a complex number, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you an example. So, I'm going to show you 3z add 4z star equals 28 plus I. Okay, now z and z star represent complex numbers, and z comes in the form x plus yi, and z star is known as the complex conjugate, which you would multiply z by to make the number real, so you're getting rid of the imaginary parts, and that comes in the form x minus yi. Okay, that'll be a little guide there. So as normal, you would substitute these algebraic solutions into this equation. Okay, so you have got 3 brackets x plus yi add 4 multiplied by x minus yi equals 28 plus I. Okay. Now, as normal, as a normal algebraic solution, you would multiply out the brackets to get the equation as simple as you can. So 3 times by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by yi is add 3yi. Okay, that's that part of the equation dealt with. Now we're going to do the other part of the equation, which is the 4z star bit. So 4 times by x is add 4x. Okay. And 4 minus y times by minus yi is minus 4yi is equal to 28 plus I. Okay, now we just want to tidy this up a little just to make our calculations a little bit easier. So get all the real parts together and get all the imaginary parts together. So 4x is real, 3x is real. You can add them together because they're both positive, so 7x. Okay. 3y and minus 4y are both the imaginary parts. So 3yi minus 4yi is minus yi, which is equal to 28i. No, plus I, sorry. So now, as we did previously, we can compare the real parts and compare the imaginary parts. So 7x is equal to 28. Well, that's quite simple from there, because you have probably done this since GCSE or even Key Stage 3. You could solve a linear equation like that. So you're just going to divide the 28 by 7. So x is equal to 4. Okay. And now we're going to equate the imaginary parts. So we're going to compare them. So minus y equals 1. So y equals minus 1. Okay. But they've asked us to work out z, haven't they? What did I show you at the start? That is the form z comes in. So we know what x is. So z is equal to x, which is 4. Y, which is minus 1. So that is just minus I. And that is what z is equal to. And you have worked that out from there.